How to enable iMessage and send free messages on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to enable the iMessage and send free messages, here is what you should do. First of all, head over to your device settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps option. Then after, search for Messages app. Once you have searched for Messages, tap on it. Thereby, you will see the option of iMessage. Make sure to toggle it on, and this way you can use wireless data to send messages between Apple devices. Once you toggle it on, you have to select Send and Receive option. You can select any of your number or the email address or the Apple ID. So this is how you can enable iMessage and enjoy sending free messages on the iPhone devices. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.